Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna do a get ready session with me. But this get ready with me is going to be very different as compared because it's not about the makeup today. It's all about the skin. Yes, you heard it right. We're gonna do a at-home, easy to follow facial, Nature's Essence. It's called the Glowing Gold Facial Kit. It is for skin that glows with the radiance of precious gold, and I cannot wait to show you how my skin is going to transform, and it is going to be amazing. It is going to be so much fun. Keep on watching. The facial kit is for rupees 260 only. They have mentioned for better results you must use it every 2 weeks. On here they have all the steps that you need to follow. All the facial kits provides you a detan therapy wipe off mask. It is in there in every facial kit, no matter you try the diamond one, you try the golden one, or you try the fruit facial. It comes with 4 easy steps to follow. We have exfoliation, we have conditioning, we have hydration, and then we have polish. I'm going to show you all about it and about how you can use this. Most important thing to remember is that at 260 rupees, this facial kit can be used thrice. With all the wedding season and everything that's happening around right now, it's like every time you open Instagram, every third person is getting married. So it's very important that you prep your skin so you can really be a part of all these fun festivities and weddings and whatnot. For that exact reason, I'm bringing this at-home facial tutorial for you. The first thing you need to do is to really start with a clean face. Then you can move on to the tube detan therapy wipe off mask. Now this one is the mask that you have to use it before you really start out your facial, so that you already have a little nice base to start off with. This is going to remove the tan and going to make sure that your skin looks even and maybe a little brighter. Direction for use, it says apply a thick layer of detan therapy wipe off mask over the face and neck. Leave it for 15 minutes. Massage the mask into the skin for 2 minutes with a gentle circular motion. Wipe off the mask with a wet tissue or cotton, revealing visible, brighter, glowing skin. So this one you have to put it on for at least 15 minutes or till the time it gets all dried up onto your skin. And do not forget your neck. All these tubes that are provided in the facial kit are for 15 ml. We're starting with tube number 1. The first step of the facial is going to be exfoliation. So here we have Nature Essence Glowing Gold Cleansing Scrub. This one is going to be clearing all the particle that has been left before, and it is also going to be scrubbing off any dead cells that you have. If you are a previous viewer, you would know I'm not a big fan of scrubs, but this one again has very gentle exfoliating agents, and that's one of the reasons why I went with this. If you're someone with sensitive skin, I would rather ask you to avoid this. It's a gentle cleansing scrub that gives your skin a refresh sparkle. That sprinkle water on your face or neck. You can start by having a damp or a little wet face. Apply the scrub over your skin and massage gently in upward stroke. I would highly suggest you guys go within a little lukewarm water to clean up any of these steps that you are going to be using. For step number 2, we are going to do conditioning. I'm going to use the Glowing Gold Massage Cream. this massage cream has a very nice consistency. I absolutely like this, and it is so handy when it comes to doing facial massages, as you can see on the screen. So this cream is enriched with essential oil to give your skin a soft, smooth and golden radiance. Cream or the cleanser or even the gel, they had this golden tiny sparkle in them, which wasn't really heavy, but it was still on my face and I really quite liked it. On how to use the massage cream, it says apply the cream in dots over your moist skin, close your eyes and relax while you massage the cream into your face and neck. If you want, you can keep it 15 minutes. At step 3, we are going to hydrate our skin. We're going to be using the Glowing Gold Gel. This one is more like a moisturizing gel, and it's really going to provide all the hydration and moisture that your skin requires. It says a transparent golden gel that keeps your skin dewy fresh with the soft shine of gold. It really does has those gold particles in it. On how to use, apply the gel in dots over your skin. Massage the gel gently over your face and neck with your fingertips in upward motion for 2 minutes, and then you'll be ready for step number 4. At step number 4, we are going to be doing some polishing onto our skin, and we're going to use a facial pack. So the facial pack that we are going to be using is the Nature's Essence Golden Glow Pack, and this one is a firming pack that leaves your skin with a visible golden glow. On how to use, it says layer over your face and neck, close your eyes and relax for 10 minutes, and then you can wipe it off or you can wash your face once it's all dried up. This one has a very thick consistency, almost like a mud mask, but it is less drying as compared to a mud mask. As you guys know, I can be a little extra at times, but to be very honest, I really do love to give out tips on skincare and beauty. So here's a tip. If you use this kit and you find that your skin at the end of the polishing is a little dry, then you can use the massage cream as the moisturizer and really go into it and massage it properly so your skin feels refreshed. And this is it, you guys. Look at this beautiful glow that I have on my skin. I just cannot wait to leave for the event I just got ready for, and I know I'm going to be getting so many compliments. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This product review, this facial kit is so easy to use and it's so manageable. If you're someone who doesn't really get time to book an appointment and go sit at the salon in this busy wedding season, then you can definitely try out the Nature's Essence facial kit. I'm going to be linking these in the description. Don't forget to check them out. Lots of love, lots of kisses, and stay glowing. Bye. Mwah.